Hi guys, what is up? Today we're meeting the man that had to build a prosthetic arm with Lego. Let's have a look.
When I was a kid, I always played with Legos. I built cars, planes.
So, I like playing with Lego as well, actually, fun fact. He's a lot like me, I like building cars.
Motorbikes. But now, I built an arm.
I wonder how many years it took to build that.
Meet David Aguilar.
My name is David Aguilar. I am from Andorra and I'm 18 years old.
When David was born, his right arm hadn't fully developed.
This is my right arm. Well, growing up, it was quite annoying because I received...
Okay, so now I understand. It's not like his arm's injured or anything. His arm didn't develop, so it's basically like an elbow. Goes up to
a lot of commentaries like, oh, you don't have a hand or something like that.
And while some would see this as a disadvantage, David is just a regular kid. He likes EDM. He goes by the name Hand Solo. Get it? He has an embarrassing dad. He goes to school.
Hand Solo.
This is my skull.
And he can open doors with his Lego arm. So cool. Growing up, he was obsessed with Lego. So much so, he wanted to make it a part of him. Literally.
Okay, now I'm understanding the seriousness of this condition. I don't know what condition it is. It could just be a genetic disorder. But I'm not that much need to actually.
I built my first prosthetic arm when I was 9 years old, and I built it around my hand. It started being a boat.
Unfortunately, the Lego bricks weren't strong enough, and it wasn't for another 9 years till he would try again.
This is MK1. This is Lego Technic. It's like the sophisticated part of Lego.
Okay, so he built out a Lego Technic. I have lots of Technic. It's a sophisticated part of Lego. So, it's a bit like Kinects, even though Kinects are.
I can do push-ups with this thing, so it's quite strong. When I first built the arm and it was fully functional, I went to the mirror and I was like,
That model, the MK1,
Self-obsessed.
only took 5 days to build. Of course, like any good inventor,
You know when I said how many years it took to build? Not like only 5 days.
he got straight to work on an upgrade.
and this is MK2. It has a battery that works like a biceps, and it has this fishing cable that ties up in here. When I fix this to my shoulder, I can do this. And the arm closes. I can stop in the middle and move it by myself. When I first brought this, they're all really amazed because
This is. I want to own that. Just so I can wear it. Say, look, Mum, I'm clever.
how can somebody create a hand out of Legos? I was a normal guy, and when
I'm proud of him, to be honest. I've known him for 2 minutes, 12 seconds. I'm proud of him because he built that.
I built the arm, everyone was like, you're awesome, you're really smart. They told me they are really proud to be my friends. It's amazing.
Do you want to watch another one? Here's another one. How the inventor of Rubik's Cube cracked his own code.
There are 43 quintillion possible combinations. Now imagine you have no websites, no books, and no one to show you how to solve it, because you invented it. But you didn't invent the Rubik's Cube. This guy did.
My name is Rubik. I was born here in this beautiful city of Budapest.
It was
Budapest. Oh my god, I want to be him. He's an inventor and he lives in Budapest. I'm going to say a lot of things, but what the flip? Let's go.
1974. 30-year-old Erno Rubik was just beginning his career in academia.
I was lecturing design and architecture. I was very similar in age with the students. I was very ambitious to
Okay, so he's ambitious. Not bad, not bad.
find new ways to teach them, especially about space and 3D
Especially about changing 3 dimensions. Okay. Sorry about my hair. It's a big mess. Literally just got a shower. So.
I made a cube as a teaching aid and for myself to learn something from it.
Once the physical cube was put together, Erno began hunting for its secrets.
The question was not it is possible to solve it, but the question was it is possible to find.
Sorry guys, but can you...
a method to do that. There is 26 small cubes. It looks the same, but in the structure of the cube they have different rooms.
Erno racked his brain for a strategy, twisting and turning the cube in his hands and his head to unlock his creation.
After I started to understand the nature of the structure and the movement, I found the way for a solution. It's not a straight way.
And after a month, he cracked the code. But the story doesn't end there.
I had the feeling, the potential of the object. I found it very simple to manufacture. And the result of that, it can be an object that is available for everyone.
In 1980, Erno would finally bring his cube to the world. And from there, it took off, becoming one of the best-selling toys of all time.
Because of the content of the cube, the world discovered it's not a gadget. It's something that is more valuable, more long life.
And after almost 40 years, Rubik's Cube has seen a comeback, with hundreds of competitions every year across the world. For Erno, the cube that bears his name is more than just a toy. It's a reminder to never give up.
There is always a way for a solution. There is always a way to find something else, something new, something different, or find the result of your work. If today is not everything is good, it doesn't mean tomorrow cannot be better. Depend on you.
Well, that is lovely. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Let's turn off the camera first. And no, go away. I want to turn off the flipping camera. Why aren't you stopping?